Hey there everyone, just a very quick video just to show off a little bit of progress for the Community Theme Creator version 3.3.3. Specifically the help and tutorials. So I kind of threw out a little nugget out there on Patreon, but I wanted to kind of back it up to show you what I'm actually up to. Okay, so let's get into it. Okay, so I'm already in the main screen and I've added a new button to the top right. If I click help or press F1, it will launch the help panel in full screen, and I'll leave it in full screen for now. So it's actually snagging or capturing certain elements from the window from where you hit help from. Okay, so yeah, I've got some text, yeah, I've got some images. So this is giving you an overview of the main panel where certain things are. It does have hyperlinks. Okay, so it will jump to different sections. And if I have video links, it will launch those too. I haven't put those together yet. I wanted to kind of get the main body together first before I start putting videos together. Okay, but it may not look like a lot, but there's a lot going on behind the scenes. This page is actually dynamically built. I've created a kind of a short form script parser where I can assemble what the document looks like with various sections and paragraphs and bullets and all this kind of stuff. Behind the scenes, it keeps the code more readable for me, easier to maintain, and allows ease of use to support multiple languages. Okay, so with that parser engine in place, it will then generate a large XAML document that you can now see on screen. Okay, so as you can see, for every section or indented section or bullet, it's referenced here, and like I said, you can easily jump to the various aspects of the document, and Control F, you can actually look for keywords. I didn't build this, it's kind of built into the whole document process, so you can scan for words and whatnot. Okay, I just want to kind of show that off. You can resize the page just like you could with a browser. In this case, I'm using press and holding the left control key and the scroll wheel up and down. Okay. I can put the window in normal mode, and as you can see, the images are actually scaling. All right. So it should be readable. Let me try it over here. Okay. So that's kind of where I'm at right now. I've just, for this main window, I've got to cover the theme manager, and I've got to cover all the menu options that are accessible from this main menu up here. Once that's done, and I produce some little videos that you can link to and open from here, then I'll release this build. So my plan is for every window that needs explanation, there will be a body of help to support that window. And for every window that I supply help for, I will then release the next build, and so on and so forth. Okay, so this is 3.3.3. Obviously, the next one will be 3.3.4, and so on and so forth, until I've completed the whole help and tip exercise. Okay, and like I said, there'll be tutorials, tutorial videos and all that kind of stuff. They don't exist today. I'm going to create them from scratch. I'm going to try and keep them very small and concise to that subject at hand. And also they'll be launchable independent of this help panel. So they'll be in their own web browser, whatever web browser you use. And that way you can just leave them off to the side, close the help, and carry on doing whatever you were doing, either in the editor or wherever you may be. All right. So I just want to kind of show off where I'm at right now. Obviously, I don't have tutorial videos or tips videos or anything like that in place yet. When I do, I'll put together another video just so that you get an idea of where I'm going with all this. Okay. I hope you understand that this is a great deal of work just to put together. I know it looks like it's just a bunch of image grabs and a bunch of text and whatnot, but trust me, a lot of thought has gone into this. I'm trying to make this as helpful and as usable as I possibly can. All right. So anyway, that is where I'm going with this work, and give me a couple of weeks and hopefully I'll have some supporting videos that I can show off and then release the build, okay? And then work on the next window, which would be the editor and properties, elements and properties panel. And that's going to be a huge one, all right? But worthwhile. All right, I said it was going to be a quick video. That's where I'm at. I'll catch you in a couple of weeks.